Hello everyone, welcome to Ieee Expert. Today we are going to see project about phishing, aiding phishing website detection with a feature-free tool. In this project, we are going to predict whether the website belongs to phishing website or a normal website. Okay. Nowadays, everyone using internet very much. Okay. Frequently, we are using it very much. Frequently, we are surfing to very so many websites. Okay. We don't know whether that website belongs to phishing website or not. Okay. First of all, we have to know what's the meaning of phishing website. Phishing website means it's a malicious website. It's used to track your information. It's used to steal your information. Okay. Currently, we are not able to predict whether the website belongs to feature or sorry phishing or not. Okay. So for first of all, you have to use antivirus for detection of phishing website, but not all the antivirus was very effective. Why? Because they are changing their domain. If you are going for one particular phishing website, means next month they completely migrated to different domain, but the antivirus didn't update for that domain itself. Okay, so that antivirus based phishing website usually the failure method. So what we are going to do means we have to do machine learning. We have to implement the phishing website detection using machine learning. So what we have to do means we have to collect what are the website features completely belongs to phishing website. In this project, they have formed the complete model, machine learning model for phishing website detection. So this is IEEE 2022 paper. I'm just showing you. So if you want to predict one website belongs to phishing or not, means you have to collect various features of that website. What are the features you have to collect means? First of all, you have to collect DNS, domain name service, as well as and then domain age, HTTPS or HTTP. How many letters they are using, age of the domain, hosting of the domain, like multiple factors you have to collect. From that features only you have to evaluate that particular website belongs to phishing or normal. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, we have to do feature engineering based phishing website detection. Shortly they called as phishing. This project as I mentioned, this project comes under information forensic security 2022 paper on IEEE. So I'm just without wasting time just showing the project PPT. This project completely purchasable project. You can buy the project from IEEE Xpert directly. This is the project PPT. Here I mentioned phishing is the most commonly used for social attacks as well as target tracking, everything. What you are going to do means we have to combine the machine learning algorithms and then we have to do phishing website prediction. So here shortly I'm explaining. Okay, this is the free session, so I'm shortly explaining who purchasing the project from us. I will explain deeply. Okay, so this is the main problem on phishing website. First of all, you have to locate the URL. URL is the main factor of the phishing website. For example, if you are going for the particular website, means they will produce the false recommendation of the website. For example, if you are going for the facebook.com, means they just instead of a they will start from the another alphabet, they will call it as a facebook.com, like that. If you're going for the tamilrakas.com, means they will change the domain to tamilrakas.la, tamilrakas.ca. So that is called as a domain name service. URL. You have to you have to carefully concentrate on the domain DNS of the website. So the main motivation of the project is completely we have to predict the URL belongs to phishing or normal. This is the main motto of the project. This is the project literature survey. We have collected various literatures also for this. Then overall objective of the project, as I mentioned earlier, we have to extract various features. Based on the feature, we have to predict whether the website belongs to phishing or not. Here, this is our approach. We have to first of all we have to collect the various data set. Okay. So just I'm showing your data set. So this is your data set. We have collected various features. First of all, let me explain some features of the website. First of all, you have to calculate the IP, then URL length, that website address length, then it having any symbol on that website address or not. For example, someone putting X, A, alphabetic like that. It having any symbol or not. Prefix. What is the naming of prefix means? For example, if you're going for the facebook.com, means they will make prefix as a.facebook.com, c.facebook.com. That is prefix. Then you have to go for the subdomains. What is the meaning of subdomain means? Facebook.com site, Facebook.com mobile. That is a subdomain. They will carefully they are using subdomains for also the phishing website. Then HTTPS token is having two number of things. As I mentioned here, if you are going for our website means here it mentioned as secured HTTPS. If the website is not secure means it just mentioned as just HTTP only. Okay, that is HTTPS token. Then request URL. What are the URL you can going for? What is the anchor text of the URL? Then redirect. Some website making that we redirect to another website, whether that is happening or not. Mouse over. If you are tracking your mouse means that mouse have to move in that website. If you are tracking your mouse means it have to move in that website. It's not moving means maybe that also phishing website. Age of the domain. So each website having the domain age. If you are going for our website, Ieee means it's having 10 years age. If you're going for some other domain means maybe it registered on 6 months back or 2 months back means age of the domain was less. Then website traffic, the website having much traffic or less traffic, we have to consider that also. So these are the main features of the website. We have to calculate everything for detection of the phishing website carefully. Okay. So this is the, as I mentioned, this is the main data set collection. Then we have to pre-process the features. Based on that feature processing, we have to apply deep neural network as a proposed algorithm. From that only we have in existing they are using random forest and SVM. In proposed system, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to change instead of SVM and random forest, we are going to use deep neural network as a proposed system for better accuracy. These are the overall architecture of the project. You have to search for the particular URL. From that URL, what you have to do is you have to collect the various features. From that feature, you have to compare with the machine learning protocol. Then you have to decide whether the website belongs to phishing or not. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, we are using DN and deep neural network as a proposed system for better accuracy when compared to random forest or as SVM technology. This algorithm provides better accuracy as well as faster response. So the data set directly obtained from fish tank website. Fish tank means fishing tank website. They have provided multiple features of the fishing website. From that only we are going to predict. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to use Python language, then Anaconda IDE, backend as a MySQL for this project. As I have mentioned advantage as well as disadvantage, everything. What's the future of the project? What is the conclusion, reference, everything mentioned. Those who are purchasing project, it can be clearly explained. Okay. So just I'm going to run the project. For running this project, what I have to do means I have to go for the code folder. This is the coding I'm going to run app.py. Just I'm going to copy the link of the project. Then what I have to paste means I have to paste the location on the terminal. Just I'm using cd space location. Then I'm running python space app.py. So I'm just waiting for my project to compile. Once my project compiled means what it will do means it will generate the localhost address. I have to copy paste the localhost address. This is the localhost address. I am just copy pasting the localhost address on the my browser. So I'm just pasting on my browser. So this is the project homepage, phishing website detection using machine learning technique. This is the project abstract. As well as I'm just going for the login page. So this is my login page. I'm just using admin as my user ID and password. Once login success means what I have to do means I have to upload the data set for the training. Just to go for the choose file, I'm just uploading data set upload on the project folder. Just I'm choosing data set upload. Once dataset uploaded means what it will do means it will preview the dataset for us. As I mentioned earlier, URL length, symbol, prefix, suffix, domain name, HTTPS token, URL request, URL angle, all the dataset, all the features are must needed. So this is the dataset we are going to upload. Just give training and testing. Wait for the training to compile. Once it trained means directly go for the testing page. You have to wait for the training to complete. So training has been finished. Once training finished means you can directly go for the testing page. So this is the testing page as I mentioned earlier. If you are checking any website means you have to enter the website features. Based on that feature, it will show whether the website you are checking belongs to phishing or normal. Okay. For example, I'm going to check one website. URL of the IP address. Okay, it is the URL. There is an IP address. If you are checking any website means, for example, this is our website. Just a minute, hold on. This is our website. You can check here ieexpert.com. Okay, just a minute. See here, this is ieexpert.com. So if there is any, you have to check for any IP address is there. For example, if you are checking here means it will show some IP address. If IP address is not there means you can directly click not there. URL length, how many characters are there? For example, overall 7 characters are there. So you are lesser than 54. Okay. If you are having too many characters means you have to enter 557, 54 to 75. There is any symbol or not, at symbol, slash symbol, any symbols or not. So there is no symbol. I'm just giving yes symbol is there. For example, I'm giving there is any prefix suffix like, so not there. I'm just giving many dots in domain. Dots also allowed. If mostly the phishing apps is having many dots to hide the in particular things of the domain. Okay, any dots are there. Only just one or two dots are there. HTTPS tokens available or not? So not available. What are the percentage of requests from the other domain? If you are going for the one website means it connected with the multiple websites. Okay, so how much percentage connecting? Like greater than 722 or less than 22? So I'm just giving lesser than 22%. As well as if you are going for the URL, so you are having 31 to 67%. Any handless server going, if you are clicking any page means it should go to same page. If you are going that is going to another domain means maybe it will belongs to phishing website. Just I'm giving to the same domain. The website including whois database. Whois database having complete website database. Whois database means complete website database. Suppose if you are checking website, no, that particular website not available means you have to click not. That website available means you should click exits. So you are the website you are checking having redirect or not. So I'm just clicking less than 2 redirects. If your mouse is moving over the cursor means you have to click URL not change. So pop-up window. If you are checking for the particular website means some websites will create pop-up window. So if created means you have to click yes or else you have to click not. So age of the domain, as I mentioned earlier, you have to give age of the domain also. I'm just giving greater than 6 months. So if you are checking particular website having DNS record means you have to click yes or else you have to give not. So traffic. So I'm just giving traffic 100 to 500 users per day. Just giving traffic. How many visitors per that website? Just I'm clicking direct. So it's showing the website you are checking completely belongs to safe. There is no unsafe content. Here I'm going to give different data at that time. So if having IP address means yes I'm giving IP address. URL length I'm giving 54 long characters. If having at symbol I'm giving, there is no at symbol. So prefix suffix having, I'm just giving prefix suffix. So website I'm checking not having HTTPS symbol, as well as there is more dots. I'm just giving as a more dots. Then just I'm giving domain name as a more than 67%. So redirect having more than 2 redirect. Website not available in which database. Okay. Just I'm giving website domain website age was lesser than 6 months. Now I'm giving direct. So it's showing the website you are checking completely belongs to phishing. So you can check multiple websites like this mechanism. I'm giving one more also for checking purpose finally. So I'm just giving you are having IP address. I'm just giving no IP addresses are available, and then giving symbol is having symbol. Yes, I'm giving symbol, and website at length will be more than 54. I'm just giving yes it having prefix suffix format. Then I'm giving website traffic was no traffic. Okay, sorry, I'm just giving traffic belongs to lesser than 100. Okay, I'm just giving DNS record not available. Domain age was lesser than 6. I'm giving. Remaining things I'm not yet changed it. Just I'm giving direct. So based on the data provided, this website completely belongs to phishing. It given data. Then I'm giving one more thing. Website having no address. URL length lesser than 54. I'm giving. Then I'm giving prefix suffix not yes. I'm giving prefix suffix available. Then I'm giving traffic more than 500. I'm giving in websites available not available on whose database. Then I'm giving pop-up, yes, pop-ups available. I'm giving random data for any website. Just I'm giving direct. So based on the provider, giving phishing. Then I'm giving another data here. For example, HTTPS tokens available. Then I'm giving dots, one or two dots. Then I'm giving prefix of which not available. Website ranking, age greater than 64. Now I'm checking. So based on this data, the website belongs to save. Like that, you can check any database. Okay. Okay, you can check any features. It will give. Then I'm going for the analysis page. Okay, then going for the analysis page. So total attack categories of the phishing website was one or two website. The data set contains one or two website as a normal website, 172 website as a DOS website, 60 websites as a prop, 54 websites as a R2L. Then overall the data set contains 26% as a normal website, 74 website percentage as a phishing website. Then accuracy, as I mentioned earlier, the overall accuracy of the DNN project DNN algorithm was 98%. Okay, this is the phishing website detection project. If you need this project means just call us IEEE Xpert. Okay, we do give projects as a low cost. Thank you.